In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Travel Planner in Notion. Open Notion and look to the very top left corner. Click the small drop-down arrow there. This opens your workspace menu and expands the sidebar, which is where you'll find helpful tools and options for creating new pages quickly. From that menu, click Templates. This takes you into Notion's gallery of ready-made pages. If you're redirected to the marketplace, that's fine. Simply choose templates there as well to view the full collection. Using a template gives you a solid starting structure so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the search bar, type Mind Map. Mind Map templates are flexible and perfect for planning because they start with a central idea and branch into related sections. For a travel planner, that means one central trip with organized branches for logistics, activities, and notes. Browse these results and select a template that looks clean and easy to adapt. You don't need anything complicated, just something with a clear hierarchy you can rename and rearrange. Once you've found a good fit, click Add. Notion will place a copy of that template into your workspace so you can fully customize it without affecting the original. Now, it's time to edit the template into a dedicated travel planner. Start by renaming the page to something like Travel Planner and give it a cover image and an icon to make it easy to spot. Replace the central node or title with your trip name, then rename the main branches to the essentials you'll track. Destination, dates, flights, stays, activities, budget, pasting, and notes. Keep the same structure, just tailor the labels to travel. If the template uses lists or callouts, you can turn those into lightweight databases for better tracking. For example, convert activities into a simple table with properties like date, time, location, cost, and status. Create a calendar view for your itinerary dates and a board view for organizing tasks by day or category. For stays and flights, add fields such as check-in, check-out, booking link, and reference. Paste links to reservations so everything lives in one place, and add reminders to time-sensitive items. At the top of the page, create a quick capture section with a to-do list for tasks like book flights, confirm hotel, or apply for visa. Use toggles to tuck away details like packing sublists or backup plans, color code headings, or add emojis to make scanning faster. As a final touch, favorite the page for quick mobile access. You can also duplicate the finished planner to reuse for future trips. That's it. You've added a template and shaped it into a complete Notion travel planner that's organized, flexible, and ready for your next adventure.